ESL Edge. English speaking practice. Buying a dishwasher.
I need a new dishwasher.
What type do you want?
A built-in one, please.
What's your budget for it?
Around $500, I think.
Any preferred brand or features?
Yes, Bosch with a delay start.
Great choice, energy efficient too.
How long is the warranty?
Usually 2 years, parts and labor.
Can I pay in installments?
Yes, some stores offer that.
How about delivery and installation?
It's usually included in the price.
That's great. When can I buy?
Anytime. Stores are open daily.
How many place settings does it have?
It depends on the model.
Can you recommend a good one?
The Bosch 300 series is great.
How many cycles does it have?
It has 5 wash cycles.
Does it have a sanitize option?
Yes, it does have that option.
Is it quiet when operating?
Yes, it's very quiet.
Can I see it in person?
Sure, visit a store near you.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your purchase.